Connect the machine first. Click on Tools and select Write Test. Use a ruler to measure the distance from Y to the top. From here to here. The correct distance should be 4 centimeters. The measurement found that it was 3.6 centimeters. About 4 millimeters is missing. In the setting, the vertical offset in this machine is plus 4 millimeters. Check again. It's 4 millimeters short. 9 after adding it. You need to press Enter after entering. Measure horizontal offset. First measure the paper width. From here to here. My paper is 162 millimeters. Then the middle position is 81. The position of this line should be 81 millimeters. Now it's 64 millimeters. The difference is 17. Add 17 to the horizontal offset, that is, the horizontal offset will continue to be biased by 17 millimeters. So this is 22. Remember to press Enter and save the settings. Clear the G code here. Click on Tools again and select Write Test. You can see that the location will change. The second one is in the middle. We can measure it again.